thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to be showing you this super simple and delicious seared scallop canapé to impress your friends and family this festive season. For my perfect New Year's Eve, I only really need 3 things: a nice glass of bubbles, all of my closest loved ones, and some hassle-free food, so I don't need to spend my night slaving away in the kitchen. A great example of a hassle-free canapé are these Canadian scallops. They're super easy to make, just a beetroot chip, carrot miso puree, a seared scallop and wakame to finish. My #1 tip for a seamless New Year's Eve celebration, apart from a killer playlist, is to prepare in advance so that you can maximize your time with all of your loved ones while they're in the same room. Those are some of my tips for this festive season. If you'd like the full recipe for this canapé dish, please check out our website.